Today I'm going to show you how to make mushroom tacos, really easy, hearty, meaty, all vegan. So over the summer I filmed a vegan taco truck called Chilango PDX in Portland, Oregon. They have some of the best vegan tacos I've ever had, but I'm in Spain now and they have like no taco culture here. Of course, if I want tacos, I'm just gonna make them myself. All the tacos at Chilango PDX are super good, but a particular taco that stood out to me that I figured was, hey, this is really easy to make, was the mushroom taco. Not to say that I'm gonna replicate her recipe, but the texture and meatiness of mushrooms is something that's very easy for anyone to just cook with. So that's what I decided to do today. So let's get into it. So we're gonna prepare the mushrooms and make a salsa because you can't have tacos without salsa. I like to use two different types of mushrooms like cremini and oyster to vary the texture. You'll need 2 packages of mushrooms, which is way more than shown in this clip because that's all that fit in the cutting board. So make sure you get 2 packages, slice them up and put them in a bowl. Then you're gonna saute some onion and garlic. Once it's golden brown, add it to the bowl, and now it's time for seasoning. For the seasoning, I use cumin, oregano, paprika, black pepper, oil, and soy sauce. And soy sauce is key to adding some umami flavor. Add this to the bowl and place it on a lightly oiled baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, tossing halfway or until charred and golden. Now for the salsa, you're going to need 2 tomatoes, a quarter of an onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, and 3 chiles de árbol, or if you like it less spicy, add less. And a bit of water to steam it until the skins of the tomatoes peel off. This will make it smoother when you blend it all together. You want it to be semi-thick and not too runny. Then you'll add it back to the pot with some oregano, olive oil, and brown sugar to add a bit more flavor and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's finally time to prepare these. Add some olive oil to your tortillas to make them a bit softer and pliable when you heat them up. Add a generous amount of mushrooms to each tortilla until nice and filled. Add salsa, vegan cashew crema, recipe above, and guacamole, and now it's time to enjoy. And now, the moment I've been waiting for. These mushrooms look so meaty. Oh my gosh, time to try these. The umami flavor that mushrooms have are just so amazing. Great meat replacement. Soy sauce gives a nice touch. The cumin, the spices, everything's so good. And all the toppings, you gotta have some lime, people. If you guys are ever wanting Street Taco Tuesday vegan, highly suggest this. Every once in a while, it's cool to have those like meat substitutes, but nature's meat is mushrooms, so I highly encourage that you try to replace meat as much as possible with this kind of stuff. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want to see next. Cheers!